In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize task labels within your project, an invaluable skill for enhancing the organization and visual clarity of your tasks. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open the specific project where you'd like to manage your task labels. Once you have your project open, direct your attention to the project name at the top of the screen. Next to it, you'll see a small icon made of 3 dots, often referred to as the ellipsis or More Options. By clicking on these 3 dots, you'll open up a menu with several options for project management. From this menu, select Manage Task Labels, which will take you to the section where you can edit and customize your task labels. Now that you're in the Manage Task Labels section, take a moment to browse through the list of labels associated with your project. Once you've identified the specific label you'd like to edit, locate the 3 dots next to the label's name. Again, these dots signify that additional options are available for that particular label. By clicking on them, you will see a few choices, one of which is Edit. Go ahead and select Edit, and you will be taken into the Edit mode for your chosen label. Within the Edit mode, you'll notice a few customization options, including the label's name and color. Focus on the color aspect for now, as this is where you can really make your labels stand out and convey meaning at a glance. You have the choice to pick a color either from a drop-down menu of pre-selected choices, or by using a color picker for even more control. Choosing the right color can help you visually distinguish between different types of tasks, which in turn can improve your efficiency and workflow. Once you're satisfied with your selection, your next step is to save your changes. Saving your choices is crucial because it ensures that your new color settings take effect immediately across your project. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the Edit mode screen, and click it. This action will finalize your changes and exit you out of the editing mode, bringing you back to the main label management screen. And that's it. You've now successfully customized your project labels to better fit your needs. This simple but effective customization can significantly improve how you track and manage your projects. By color-coding your labels, you enhance your ability to quickly scan through tasks and focus on what's most important. Remember, effective organization is key to productivity, so don't hesitate to update and tweak your labels as your project evolves. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of managing task labels.